Did you know that every bite you eat has to travel 28 feet to be digested? I had no idea. Well, today, nutritionist Dr. Carolyn Morocco is going to tell us how we can reduce the burden on our digestive system and help maximize our digestive health. Dr. Morocco, is our digestive tract really 28 feet long?
It is. It's a long, winding process where our food is broken down by muscular contractions and gastric juices, so our bodies can extract the vital nutrients they require to function properly.
Wow.
It's a demanding task. The easier we make that process, the more nutrition we can feed our cells and the less stress we put on our bodies.
Which is a good thing. So tell us, how do we make the journey easier?
As most people know, the human body receives energy from food.
Right.
But before our bodies can absorb the vital nutrients that foods have to offer, it has to be digested. And when the digestive process is impeded or interrupted, it can have a negative impact on the body. So whenever I'm treating a client, I always start by focusing on a healthy digestive tract. And one of the first things I recommend is Digestion Formula from RBC Life. Digestion Formula provides vital assistance to the body in a variety of important ways.
And I understand you've prepared a little demonstration to show us how.
That's right, I have.
It's my favorite part.
Suppose this pudding is your lunch.
All right.
Now, even though it's not entirely solid, it still requires digestion. So I'm going to add 1 capsule of Digestion Formula.
Okay.
And if you don't mind stirring that up for me,
I'd love to.
we are going to watch the Digestion Formula quickly go to work, breaking down the food and reducing the workload of the digestive tract that may be inordinately stressed by the deficiencies of our modern diet. Proper digestion is a complicated process governed by a number of internal and external stimuli, and it can be very taxing on the body. Digestion Formula helps relieve some of this burden to ensure the process takes place as efficiently as possible.
Well, look at that. In just a few seconds, it's almost completely liquefied.
That's right, it's pretty amazing.
It is.
Now, historically speaking, enzymes that aid the digestive process used to be found in many of the foods we eat. However, modern methods of food processing and even certain cooking methods eliminate these vital enzymes. Fortunately, the broad spectrum of plant-based enzymes in Digestion Formula act the same way as the natural enzymes that used to be found in our food and in our bodies, helping to speed the digestive process and minimize that bloated feeling we sometimes get after a big meal.
Oh yeah, and sometimes I also feel listless or fatigued after eating. It's almost like a food coma. What's that all about?
Think of it like this. The digestive process uses energy. For example, celery is what we call a negative calorie food, which means the act of digesting this tough cellulose vegetable actually burns more calories than the celery itself provides.
You gotta love that.
Digesting celery burns around 6 calories. Now, imagine how much energy it takes to digest a big 3-course meal.
Oof.
But with the help of Digestion Formula, you can conserve that energy for more important things like a game of tennis or a trip to the gym.
And it goes to work immediately. So supplementing with RBC's Digestion Formula can help you maintain the health of your digestive system so you get more nutrition from your foods, have more energy, and as a result, have a happier, healthier life and a better tennis game.
Let's face it, most of us don't want to think about what it takes to make that 28-foot journey through the digestive system.
Oof, no.
But with Digestion Formula, you don't have to.
Well, thanks for being here and sharing all these important insights.
It's my pleasure.
Here we go. I love it when you come. Here's wishing you a longer, happier, and healthier life. 6 calories. 244 to go.